The National Cleaner Production Centre South Africa aims to empower industry through this instructional video series. In our previous video, we answered the question, what is industrial symbiosis? In this video, we will focus on how to implement industrial symbiosis, how to identify unused or residual resources such as materials, energy, water, assets, logistics, or expertise in your company that can be exchanged with another company for mutual economic, social, and environmental benefits. This is called a synergy. Once resources have been identified and quantified, the actual exchange is easy. Use the following 3-step approach to identify synergy opportunities in your resource pool or production process. Step 1. Map your process. Step 2. Quantify your resources. Step 3. Prioritize your opportunities. Let's take a more detailed look at each of these steps. Step 1. Map your process. The process map, looking at how resources move through your business, is a systematic approach to identifying resources available for exchange to create a synergy with another company. The process map can be as detailed or as simple as you want it to be, and can focus on a single process or can map your entire worksite. When developing a process map, consider where is the process taking place and what resources go in and out of that process. For instance, input materials. Here is an example of a basic furniture process map to demonstrate how to quantify a company's resources. Identify all the materials and resources that are required to create the product. Then, consider all the processes that are involved when creating the product and any extra resources required. Identify what excess materials or waste is produced. And finally, the processes involved in completing the finished product. Step 2. Quantify your resources. Quantifying your resources will make it easier to identify exchange opportunities. Collect relevant data using supplier invoices, municipal accounts, and water and energy meters. Create data collection forms to identify your priority processes and resources. For example, processes that generate large flows or are critical to the business, or resources that are expensive or might present a risk to the business. Clarify what resource you are identifying, the category, the name of the resource, whether it's something you have or want, and if it has an applicable waste code. Then, list the details of the resource. Start with the full description of the resource or resource name, including technical specifications. What is the source and quantity of the material? What is your pattern of supply? Are there special considerations to be aware of? What are the costs involved with securing the resources needed? What costs are involved with waste management and the disposal or handling of any unwanted byproducts? This is a data collection form. Consider the following illustrative example of a data collection form completed by a furniture manufacturer. Segregate your waste to help minimize costs and maximize opportunities for industrial symbiosis. Step 3. Prioritize your opportunities. When considering areas of opportunity, start with the question, what makes a resource suitable? Focus on resources with a high unit cost, high quantities, low specifications, regular supply patterns. These are the resources that are more suitable for an industrial synergy opportunity. There are several factors to consider when prioritizing your opportunities. What are the technical characteristics of your resource? What are the best opportunities for high quantities and continuous regular supply? Are there special considerations? For example, what storage, handling, or regulations of the product? What is the market value of your product? And what are the market conditions that determine this? Are there contractual commitments in place for sourcing and disposal? Resource mapping, quantifying, and prioritizing is crucial in enabling you to identify opportunities for a symbiotic relationship. For more information, contact the NCPC-SA for assistance with the process or to match you with a company that can benefit from a mutual synergy. The National Cleaner Production Centre South Africa is a program of the Department of Trade and Industry, hosted at the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. For more information, visit www.ncpc.co.za. This video has been produced through a successful partnership with KZN's Department of Economic Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs.